Glam AI Review. Let's get started. So, what is Glam AI? It's a mobile app designed to apply AI enhanced makeup and create short animated video photo effects using coins or subscriptions. So, where it shines is it has a creative tool for makeup novices, and it also has a sleek UI with frequent updates, and it's rated around 4 to 4.6 stars with consistent performance improvements reported. However, it comes with major red flags. It has deceptive pay structure, it has an output that doesn't match expectations. They also have poor support and billing issues. And they have red flags in review credibility. So apparently, they have third-party analysis which labels it as a scam-like with a low legitimacy score. So, is it legit? Well, technically yes, but mostly not worth it. It is a functioning app, but the aggressive paywall, misleading trials, inconsistent output, and poor support means it's not a trustworthy investment. The high rating is largely inflated by promotional tracks and tactics and fake reviews.